Do you have a workbook that is showing you the formula instead of showing you the formula result? For example, here I have this data set and you can see that in this cell D2, I am seeing the formula instead of seeing the formula result, and everything else looks fine. If this is happening with you, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 methods to fix this. Excel has an inbuilt functionality that allows you to switch between seeing the formula or seeing the formula result. And this is there because some people want to audit their formulas, and it is easier if they can actually see their entire formula instead of going to the formula bar every time. So there is a possibility that this functionality has been enabled on your system and you're seeing these formulas instead of the result. So what we need to do is simply switch it off. So to do that, I'm going to go to the formulas tab here, and then you'll see that within formula auditing, there is this option called show formulas, which is already enabled. And I know this because it is shaded in a darker gray color as compared to the rest of the options. So all I need to do is click on this. And as soon as I do that, it removes my formulas and I can see the values. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Control tilde, where tilde is the key right below the escape key on your keyboard. So you can hold the Control key and press the tilde key. And when you do that, it works as a toggle. So when you use it once, it is going to enable this. And if you use it again, it is going to disable this. So the easiest and probably the first thing you should check if your formulas are being shown as formulas and not values is whether this option is checked or not. Another possible reason Excel may show you the formula instead of the result is when there is an apostrophe or a space character before the formula. If that happens, then Excel thinks that anything that follows the apostrophe or the space character is a text string. So it doesn't evaluate and give you the result of the formula, but rather just shows you the formula as a text string. So here I have the formula that was working fine. But if I come here and I add an apostrophe key, then you'll see that it shows me the formula because now Excel thinks this is a text string. So a simple way to fix this is to remove the apostrophe key and hit enter, and you will see the formula. Similarly, it could be a space character, so you just remove the space character and the formula should give you the value. Sometimes it may happen that when you type a formula in Excel, it doesn't give you the result and you only see the formula. For example, here, if I multiply these two values, sales and commission, and I hit enter, it just gives me the formula, I don't get the value. Now this is happening because of the formatting of the cell. If I select this cell and look at the formatting here in the number group, you'll see that the formatting is text, which means that anything that this cell contains would be shown as a text string. So it doesn't compute and evaluate and give me the formula result, but just shows me the formula. So to fix this, I'm going to come here and change the formatting to general, or you can change it to number, and then redo this formula. So I'm going to get into the edit mode and hit enter key, and as soon as I do this, it is going to evaluate the formula and give me the result. So one possible reason could be the formatting of the cell. So these are 3 common reasons because of which Excel may be showing you the formula instead of the formula results. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss out on any useful Excel tips I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.